This is a GH-Hori. There are, I think, 13 pins, 7 on one side, 6 on another. There's some spools and such in there. I'm going to try to pick it. I've manufactured a tensioner with only the finest manufacturing techniques, being a rubber band and some stuff I had lying around. And I'll use these huck picks. Try to get around in there. Let's try the left side first. There's something on 2 on the left, 3 on the left, 4 on the left, 5 on the left, 6 on the left. Alright, let's move to the right. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, something good on 5 or 6. Okay, and then we're back at, I think that was 2. Now I've got something on the left that feels like it wants to be picked. Let's move to this other sided pick. Or not. It tricked me. Okay. Then we will move. We've got, looks like 1 on the right. 2. This one's on the left. Maybe 6 on the left. Something back here. Okay, now we're just sort of hunting around for what's left. This is maybe 3 on the right, and that'll do it. I don't think there's an easy way to gut this, so I'm maybe not going to do that. But there's some stuff down there. Looks like it's pinned up there. So, but anyway, cool 13 pin lock with some security pins from GH-Hori.